Hi, I'm Venus O'Hara and welcome to The Orgasmic Lifestyle. Every day is a climax. And welcome to my kitchen. And today I'm going to be showing you how I make a protein pumpkin soup. Check it out. These are the ingredients for my protein pumpkin soup. And obviously it has pumpkin, red lentils, and pumpkin seeds to decorate. A bit of ginger, I'll probably use just this much here, and then some Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and an optional thing is I'm going to put a spoonful of this protein powder in, which is pea protein, hemp protein, and carob. And it's all organic, and you can see the ingredients. It's just nothing, there's no nasties in there, because a lot of these protein powders, they have big long lists of ingredients with undesirable ingredients, and yeah, so none of that. So I'm going to be having a spoonful, which will be, yeah, quite a lot of protein. I think it's got 10 grams of protein extra, as well as the lentils here. So that'll be a nice bit of protein for me, and it does taste delicious, especially now in the winter with the ginger. It really warms you up. And yeah, so let's get to it. And here we have the red lentils and the pumpkin all chopped up in my pan here. And I'm going to add some water. I'm going to cover it with water, and then I'm going to put a lid on it and let it cook at a kind of medium heat. I'll leave it for about, I don't know, 20 minutes. So we'll check it see how it goes. And afterwards, before I blend it, then I'll put the salt, the pepper, and the ginger root. So the ginger will actually be raw. And also I'll add the protein powder later. So I'm not cooking it with those things, just lentils and pumpkin. Looks like it's done. Now it's time for the next stage. I'm going to put this into my Vitamix. I might add a little bit more water, we'll see. Then I'm going to add the ginger, the black pepper, and the salt. And of course, 1 spoonful of the protein powder. The lid just kind of came off there, really filled it up too much, but never mind, it looks like it's good to go now. Let's check it out. Wow, this smells amazing. Quite a lot of soup there, so I'll have 1 bowl now and then another one tonight. Wow, this smells amazing. Still hot. Let's see if we can do a little taste test so you can, so I can convince you that it is delicious. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Mmm, amazing. It did take me a long time to actually master the correct amounts of everything and water, because my first few soups were kind of very thick, almost like purees rather than soup, but this is, I think it's perfect. And if you try it, let me know. And I hope this inspires you to have some more vegan protein. See you soon.